So I've got here a power extension socket with 20 watts USB-C as well, with individual switches. So let's unbox it and check it out. There we go. So a manual of sorts and a plug. So it has buttons to turn them on and off for all of the sockets. Then you have two USB-A's here and USB-C here, which, as you can see, it's 20 watts fast charging. And then you have 5 volts, 3.4 amps with these two USB-A's. This is where you plug it. So it has a built-in 13 amps fuse, a built-in safe door, surge protection, flame retardant material. So this is safe. So you have like 4 and another 3 here, so 7 in one. And it doesn't have like a long plug, so you'll have to use it by the plugs, to say. And another thing I like is that it doesn't cover the other socket because it goes a bit down, so you can use the other socket as well. I'll show you in a minute. And yeah, let's plug something in and check it out. Yeah, let's plug it in. As you can see now, you can use the other sockets as well. And if you plug it like next to a wall socket, or you have one or two of them, you can use the other one as well, as you can probably see right here. Now let's charge something. So first of all, I'll connect my DJI microphone. So you can see here it has a USB-A to USB-C, and we're gonna go in the USB-A here. And as you can see, it starts charging. Then I have a USB-C to Lightning, so I'll connect this one here and on my phone. And as you can see, it charges as well. And now let's connect on the strip something as well. As you can see here, you can turn them on and off. So let's turn this one on and let's use it to charge the phone. There we go, the phone is charging, and if I press this button right now, it stops charging. One thing I forgot to mention is that it has these plastic screws that you can screw here on the bottom. So for when you plug this one on the wall, it will have a gap. So when you press another plug in, it will press and then just disconnect or something. So you'll put these two plastic screws and then you're gonna have something to press on when you put the plugs in.